In this video I'll be demonstrating how to replace the home button dome switch on an Apple Ipod 5th gen. As you can see, this iPod's on, but when you press the home button, it does not wake the screen or work. Alright, so if your unit's on, you want to go ahead and shut it off. Before I actually get into the repair, I'll go real quick what you'll need. You're going to need a new dome switch home button, as shown here. You'll need some opening tools. I use these cheap plastic guitar pick prying tools, and then a razor blade and hot air. Either a hot air station or hot air gun. You could use a blow dryer. So let's go ahead and get started. It'll be much easier for you to remove the bezel, so you'll be able to actually look over it, whereas I gotta reach behind from the camera and do this. So it's A little bit more difficult. Okay. Now you will not need to remove this shield. From here we'll just apply heat over the home button and remove the Kapton tape and dome switch. So install the new one right here. After about 10 to 12 seconds of having heat over it, you want to go ahead and start pushing it back. Zoom in for you. As you can see, it'll come right off. You just want to go ahead and remove that in focus. The Kapton tape and 2 dome switches. Discard of that and install the new one. Bottom dome switch first. Now the top dome switch you'll see on the Kapton tape. I'll be able to get this in focus. Now, anyways, on each side there'll be a little bit longer of a tab. And that's what way they're supposed to sit. Take this off camera real quick just to make sure it's centered correctly before we close it up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and power the unit on and verify it works before reassembling it. I'm just going to go ahead and press the home button. As you can see, the screen turned on. Do it one more time. So the home button's good. Well, at least passed the first test. So now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the screen and try it again. I'm going to turn it off before I reinstall the screen. If you need this home button switch, you can order it through our website. We offer it. Or if you would just like us to do the mail-in service, we also offer that service. Okay. See these tabs? You want to get the home screen back into it like this. Just go around, make sure all the clasps are in. Excuse me, clasp. Power the unit back on. Alright, so you see I turned the screen off. Go ahead. There we go. So see the home button works. Let me go ahead and enter this password off camera real quick. Okay. Alright, and that concludes this video of how to replace the home button on Apple Ipod Touch 5th Gen. If you have any questions, please just contact us below and we'll reply as soon as we can. Thank you.